What's up, guys? It's your boy Jackknife 2000. We're out here in the wilderness of Rohan. Yes, just a little short vlog today, bringing you some exciting action from the water. Now, if I get bit, it's up because of you guys. No, I'm just kidding. And here I am, guys. Okay, woo! It's getting deeper here. It's definitely getting deeper here, guys. But yeah, we're out here, we're enjoying it. Let's take you under the sea. Bum, 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 bum. Goes there, guy. It's not too bad out here right now. There's a rope swing over there. It's right over there, guys. The old rope swing. It's getting deeper right here.
Yes, it is.
Oh, God, that is cold. It's freak. It is cold as freak, guys. Whew.
Yes.
Shit. Come on, stand in here. It's okay. Oh, look at that fish. Look at those fishes. See if I can catch them all.
Well, minnows.
Where are they?
I wish the one you
Says
gave
GoPro
us.
right here.
Huh?
Woo!
I wish
Man.
the camera you gave us was a water.
Oh, shite. Yeah, that rock you threw is over here, Jericho.
Oh.
I know. I swear, if I start seeing a snake, I'm running towards the shore. See, because out here in the wilderness, my friends, there's no such thing as safe. This is the wilderness we're talking about here. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse of the dark side here. I will watch you. What? Where?
There, see it moving? Right there, under that leaf. Yeah, under that leaf.
water spider. Right there. See if I can get him. Water spider right there, guys. Oh, he sees us. He's tripping. He's upset. Let's see if we can see under here, guys. There we go, guys. We came, we saw. Just want to give you a little short vlog. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing good. So, until the next vlog, peace.